Was all right, listen, you guys, I want to tell you about some of the stuff we're doing around the homestead right now. It's been a little while. It's been a hot second, but we've been busy. So it's time for you to get the update and a little bit of my southern accent. All right, that's horrible, and I apologize for everyone in the South who does not speak like that, but continues to get made fun of for speaking like that. All right, one of the things that's been happening is first, our son-in-law and daughter and a couple kids have come to move in with us for a little bit of time because he just finished his service to the Marine Corps, and he's done, getting ready to start a whole new chapter in their life. And so we're kind of excited because we have lots of grandbabies at the house now. And we have grand dogs. Here's one. Is Lucy. And Lucy is a girl-female English bulldog, right? Because girl and female are the same. Just go with me here. It's called science. And after she meets up with Hagrid, who's an elderly man in dog years, and the other bulldog, Titus, we're hoping that at some point we're going to have baby bulldogs, which if that happens, life is going to get crazy. So grandkids, grand dogs, it's been awesome. So we've been busy helping them get settled, moving some kids around here, creating a little space for them, but we're loving it. You're a little close. All right, you guys, so it's been a while since we've been doing the videos, and partly because of all of the family that have come up to visit. We've had everybody, my mother and a couple of my daughters. My son moved back up from college for the summer break. And as a result, you know, it's been one week after another week of just kind of celebrating family. It's been so long with what's been going on in the world. And also my sister came up and her fam. So we are in the midst of all of the prep work that we have to do for winter, which you don't really think, why would you be worrying about winter in June and July? But for us, this is when we do all our heavy lifting, so to speak, to get ready for those winter months. But in some ways, having family come helped us to put some of that work to a screeching halt, which we needed to do. Okay, so one of the big things that we've been working on is, of course, the wood. We have one of the bays, the wood sheds, filled up, and it's done. The other one is almost full, and that should be done here in the next few weeks after me yelling at my small, beautiful, amazing, helpful, incredible children who don't want to work trying to get them to help me out to finish up that last one. Then I'll breathe a big sigh of relief. The other big project is in the background. We had a tree company come in and cut down about 4 trees because they were in the way of the mustard seed cabin. And ultimately what we needed to do was to then clean up all the debris. We cut the wood that we could for firewood, and then we have these big logs over here for the sawmill, which we had gotten last year, but then winter happened, so I wasn't able to put it together. This year, we're full on getting that sawmill going because we have a lot of projects that we're building. What you doing? Got your Zelda shirt on? Cup of coffee? I was just telling everybody how much work I've been doing in the garden.
It's not easy.
It's not easy, huh?
Of course, building a garden is harder than maintaining a garden. Just like we said from the beginning, building a homestead will be more difficult than running a homestead.
Yeah. What? What you doing? What are you doing? What? Okay, so anyway, here's what we're doing. We got to go pick up the rest of the wood that is in piles. There's definitely some over there, and we know that we have some over there. So some of the problem with that's going to be location is not easy to get to. So I'm going to mow, and I want to try to mow in the back area where it's super nasty. I think that'll make it a little bit better than too for Jason, who's trying to capture those predators.
Are you going to use the small mower over there?
Yes, I have to use the small mower over there. So anyway, so we're gonna work on the back part here first. So I need the little chicks moved so that I can mow around them. Greg's little thing out there with the turtle needs to probably be moved once I get over there. The little scooter thing needs off the ground. So basically I just need stuff cleared away so I can mow back here. After I mow, then we're gonna have Joe probably go use the agrifab to pick up all the hay, and we're gonna try to create some bags of the silage that we did last year.
We didn't even use them.
What?
We didn't even use them.
We used all of them.
We did?
Yeah.
They weren't that good.
Just because you didn't take it out to feed the animals didn't mean it didn't happen. What I'd like to do is eventually create a little bay that we put all that grass in, and we create silage like the way that, you know, a bigger operation would do. But so anyway, so we're gonna gather the wood, we're gonna cut the grass, we're gonna pick up the grass with the agrifab, and then we're going to I'm gonna go grab some more logs over there to cut up so we can kind of stack that part there. But first order of business is let's clean up the yard and give water and some food to the animals, okay?
All right.
Okay, one of the first things I need to do is I need to get the eggs, because unfortunately I think we let some sit too long, so we've had a couple eggs that are fertilized quite a bit and developing, which is never a fun experience when you're getting ready to make breakfast. So anyway, the secret to that is you just, when you get them, you try to use them and don't let them sit forever. So, and some of ours, because we get so many, can sit for a long time. So we always check our eggs before we use them. And you put water in a bowl, and then whichever ones are floating are bad. But even still, we always crack them in a separate bowl before we use them, just to make sure. So anyways, gotta get the eggs. You can still see the remnants of the wool from when we had the sheep sheared. Okay, it's not a ton. I think they're laying somewhere else. I don't know where though. So it literally is a bit of an Easter egg hunt because of the lack of, you know, the free range, so they can go anywhere. Anyway. So we're gonna get about a dozen, close to it.
It's like choking on something.
You happy? Huh? You happy? Okay. What are you doing? Cleaning up the bug zapper?
What?
Cleaning up the bug zapper, huh?
Yeah.
This is true. This is a real problem for me. Sometimes I get distracted. So I go to do one project and then I have 4 others, and I got to be careful because I can just spontaneously move from project to project. And yeah, inevitably I'll get them all done, but it doesn't help when you have certain kids that are very type A and all that. So an example was I'm trying to put, you know, some of the stuff in the burn pile, and then I get lost in the fact that I need to feed the animals. So I go feed the animals, and on the way back I realized, wait a minute, there's a cord on the ground. I mean, so it's just one thing after the other. But I think I made it to my tractor. I'm gonna go pick up a couple loads of these logs. They will be used for firewood. We hear the click, the glow plug's ready to go. So of course, the 4.8N now for some reason is seized, and obviously we're spinning out. We can't get the thing to move forward because the brake is engaged, and I can't figure out how to get it off. And so then we can't find a ball to connect to the four-wheeler to pull the wood, so we have to bring the truck over here. So yeah, we're crushing it on all levels. It's stuck here. That's our problem.
Well, which way is it supposed to be, though? That's the question. Is it supposed to just be free floating there like that? Here. I'm retarded. Don't mind me.
Tractor fixed. Boom.
Thank you.
This wood, yeah, it's been sitting out all last winter, and
Well, actually, it's not as bad as I thought. Some of it is, this is like literally
Goes up and
pumice, but.
How's your bike ride?
Mom's tires are flat.
which tire?
The back one, I filled it too. I think there's a hole.
Oh boy. Did you just hit yourself? Did I just get that on video?
Yeah, I think you did.
All right. How far did you go?
Down the driveway and up.
Okay. So you're changing bikes. I got you. All right. Well, we made it easy for you to get the bike, didn't we? Do you want me to help you instead of video?
No, I got it.
There you go. It's gonna be good. I can't find anything I need today, and everything I don't need I'm stumbling into, so that makes sense. We have 8 cans probably of WD-40 around here. That might be a little exaggeration, but more than one. We can't find them. Looking for a particular wrench for that bolt. Couldn't find it. Now I can't find my earmuffs. Where are the earmuffs, Joe? Oh yeah, right by the splitter. That makes sense. All right, I'll take that. Thank you. So a little bit more to go. What do you think, Colby?
I don't have thoughts.
Man, look at that. Jason's crushing the big one over there. That's a lot of anger.
It's faster than a Wix player.
A lot of practice. That's what it is.
With anger.
Thanks, Grandpa.
No, she wouldn't.
All right, they still can't get the thing off. Insane. Yeah, so the problem we had was that the ball on the truck was a 2-inch, and then the tractor over here is smaller. So we jammed the trailer on. But we got the tractor fixed, and I guess, yeah, look at that, 1 7/8. So That's the problem we had. We got it stuck. But now it's unstuck.
She yawns or she smiles. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's so big.